In today's video, we are going to cover how to set default payment terms in Wave. Start by logging in to your Wave account. Once you are signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your business name or profile. This menu is where account and business level settings are grouped, so it is the place to go when you want to change defaults that affect your documents going forward. Click your business name or profile in that top right area. A menu will open with several options. From that menu, select Business Settings. This will take you to the Settings area for your business, where you can adjust how invoices and related documents behave by default. After Business Settings opens, look for the section labeled Sales and Payments. Inside that section, click Invoices and Estimates. This page contains the options related to invoice creation and estimate settings, including the payment term that will be applied as the default choice for future invoices unless you change it manually when creating one. On the Invoices and Estimates page, find a setting called Default Payment Terms. Take a moment to make sure you are looking at the correct field, since there may be several invoice-related options on the page. The one you need is specifically labeled Default Payment Terms. Click the Default Payment Terms drop-down to open the available choices. Wave provides several preset options here. You can choose Due upon receipt if you want payment expected right away. You can choose Due within 15 days if you want a shorter deadline after the invoice date. You can also choose Due within 30 days, which is a common billing timeframe for many businesses. If you need a longer payment window, continue through the list and select Due within 45 days, Due within 60 days, or Due within 90 days. These options let you set a consistent expectation for clients before you send out new invoices. Make sure you select the payment term that matches how you want future invoices to be set by default. Once you click your preferred option, that selection becomes your default payment term in Wave. There is no need to choose more than one option here, so if you change your mind while the dropdown is open, just click the one you actually want to use. The selected term will be the default setting applied when creating invoices moving forward. If you are managing billing for more than one business in Wave, make sure you are in the correct business settings area before making this change. That way, the updated term is applied to the right set of invoices and estimates. Your default payment terms in Wave are now set to your preferred due date option.